So today I'm going to do an unboxing of CNBLUE's Blue album Special Limited Edition Jungshin's version, because he's my bias. And I got this from CD Japan's sale. The sale is still on until like mid-July, I think. So you should go check it out. They have a lot of albums on like really good sales right now. And I'm so happy I finally got this. I didn't even buy the regular version of this album, so I'm glad that I finally got my hands on it because I love all the songs in this mini album. I'm glad CNBLUE is releasing more like rock-ish songs in Korea too, because I love all of their Japanese albums, but then when they go back to Korea, like FD Island, they always go back to more like pop-ish songs instead of rock, even though they're a band, so it annoys me. I'm glad that they're able to do their own music with this album and release more rock-based songs. And this photo book was designed by the members. Like each is divided into 4 parts, so which also makes it really awesome. So the first part was by Minhyuk, I think. This one is by Jungshin. Then here are the lyrics. So the photo book is really thick, and it comes with a DVD as well. And I still didn't watch the DVD, so I don't know what it's like, or if it has like English subtitles or anything. I don't think it does, but we'll see. So yeah. Oh, and depending on which member you get like postcards of that member. So I got Jungshin's postcards. The first one is this, and it has like this weird like cloth like texture on the paper. It doesn't feel like paper, so which is very nice. I don't know if you can see it, like blue lines on it. So yeah, I got this one, and then this is his other one, and then this is the group one, and the back of the group one is different. So the group one's back is like this, and his solo one's back like this. So yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. So you should definitely go buy your own biases version if you can. I think all the versions are on sale right now. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.